Hermes wins on three things too. 1. The automatic learning loop. Hermes Curator runs continuously, writing skills from your agent's work, monitoring which ones get used, refactoring underperformers, all without you approving anything. OpenClaw shipped Skill Workshop in June 2026 to do the same thing, but it's the safer, slower flavor. OpenClaw's agent proposes new skills and waits for you to review and approve each one. Even the propose automatically setting is off by default. So Hermes ships you a self-improving agent, OpenClaw ships you a self-proposing one that you supervise. 2. Token cost on repeat tasks. Both run the same models, both use the same prompt cache discounts, so per turn cost is mostly the same. What's different is repeat tasks. Hermes solves a problem once, saves a skill, then runs that skill cheaply on every repeat automatically. OpenClaw can do the same, but you're either approving skills as they come in or running without the compounding savings. So Hermes' bill on the repeated work flattens earlier with less effort. 3. Day 1 ergonomics. The Hermes defaults are tight. Pick a provider, paste a key, send a message, and you're talking to an agent in minutes. OpenClaw is more configurable, which means more places you can get stuck on day 1. So that's the Hermes camp. Automatic self-improvement, cheaper repeat tasks, less day 1 friction.